Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about a very interesting innovative idea called self-created dictionary from self-learning by the innovative teachers of Sikkim. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Hidden Treasure from NCERT Class 4, Chapter 12, and the subject is English. The time duration for the activity is 20 minutes but also depends on the strength of your class. The innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the students based on the concept associated to the chapters through the formation of a dictionary in due course of time. So the concept is to revise the first and the second form of the verbs. For this activity, teacher needs to ask student to read the lesson Hidden Treasure and note down all the difficult words in a old notebook. The student will then be instructed to find and note down the meaning of these words by inquiring in the same from their family members or by consulting a dictionary. For example, they find the words hide, worry, delight, etc. Then they ask their parents or find the meaning of these words from any dictionary, like the meaning of the word hide is chipna, the meaning of the word worry is chinta karna, and the meaning of the word delight is anand. Then ask students to share their responses one by one in the class and make sure that the other students are paying attention to the student whatever they are saying in the class. Then conclude by appreciating their efforts and motivating them to study. Through this innovative idea, the student will learn to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in a context, and they will respond verbally in English to question based day to day experiences and story read. They will respond to simple instructions and announcement made in English. They will write and type dictation of short paragraphs. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking, decision making, and effective communication. Values that can be touched upon are patience, the ability to wait or to continue doing something despite difficulties, and gratitude, showing appreciation to others. Children with learning disabilities will show improvement in executive functioning like planning, self monitoring, etc. For this interesting activity, that's all. I hope you like the video. If you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI, and you can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. That's all. Thank you.